Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Lindsay and I bring you content on clean beauty and skincare. If you're already subscribed, thank you. And if you aren't already, I'd love for you to join me. Today's video I'm so excited about, so let's get right into it. So today I'm going to be unboxing all three of the indie beauty discoveries from Beauty Heroes. I'm so excited about this video. They were so sweet and sent over all three of the boxes for me to unbox for you guys. If you guys haven't heard of Beauty Heroes before, they are a monthly subscription box. They're all about slowing down beauty discovery. They bring you really great high quality brands. They're usually indie brands, woman-owned brands, stuff like that. So they also make discovery boxes which aren't part of the subscription. You can buy them separately. They basically curate a box for you. You get a really good value out of it. So they did release 3 indie beauty boxes. All 3 of these are woman-owned brands. They're also indie brands and all 3 of them donate to charity as well. Some of the proceeds from these boxes as well are also going to the charities of whatever brand you purchase. So let's get into the 3 boxes I have here. So first off, this is how they come packaged. It's super cute. You don't even need to wrap these if you're getting them as a gift because they just come with this super cute cloth bow. Beauty Heroes logo is right there. So amazing. This would be such a beautiful gift for someone who loves skincare and beauty, someone who just needs like a little treat, or if you bought this for yourself, amazing. So first off in the box you do get this little brochure. It says the Rising Stars of Indie Beauty. They also have an interview on the Beauty Heroes website with all 3 owners of the brands. It's a really cool interview. I'll link that below. I watched it and totally love learning more all about these indie brands. So the first box I have here is from Ranavat Botanicals. I hope I'm saying that correctly. This is what it looks like. It comes with 2 full-size products and then 3 other little things. Let me show you guys. So in the little brochure here, it just gives you some insight about the brand, how they started it, the charitable cause they donate to, and then it also just gives you an overview of the products right here. So the first product in here is the Mighty Majesty Fortifying Hair and Skin Serum. This box is $147 value, by the way. So it says, polish and strengthen your locks and skin with a powerful blend of jasmine and amla oils in this luxurious serum. This is what the packaging looks like. It is glass packaging, of course. This sounds really amazing. It has sunflower seed oil, jasmine oil, and amla fruit oil. I'm not sure I'm saying that right. So you get 1.7 fluid ounces of oil in here, which is a pretty good amount. This sounds really amazing. I'm so excited to try this out. Let me move on to the next product in here. Moving on, the next product in here is the Jasmine Tonic. It says, hydrate your skin and smooth the appearance of fine lines with this floral spritz. I love toners, so I'm especially excited for this one. So this is 100% jasmine officinal. I don't know what that is. I think it's just jasmine hydrosol. But first off, their packaging is so gorgeous. Really love the box. Go ahead and open this up. So this is what that bottle looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and spritz some on my face just because I'm really curious. I love jasmine, so I'm sure this will smell amazing. That felt so nice. It smells so like high quality. I've had some jasmine things and it's kind of amazing how like different quality ingredients smell different. Like this smells just so pure. It says you can apply it with a cotton pad. I did just miss it on my face, but you could use it either way. This would also be really great to mix in with a mask as well. So the next thing in this box is this mini sized serum. This is their Radiant Rani Illuminating Serum. It says banish the appearances of dark circles and blemishes with the brightening power of saffron and rose. Sounds really good. Says gently massage a few drops of Radiant Rani onto freshly cleansed face and neck in the morning and night. This is a 7 milliliter size, by the way. This would be really good to travel with. The last 2 products in here are their facial masks. So it says test the divinity of honey-based flawless veil in eternal rain to illuminate and detoxify your skin. This is the only box that is not vegan, by the way, because one of these masks has honey powder in them, but the other 2 boxes are vegan. If you guys are curious, they're all cruelty-free. So this one, Eternal Rain, which is the detoxifying one, has Manuka honey powder, French green clay, bentonite clay, neem powder, Gatu cola powder, moringa leaf, spirulina, vitamin C, and arrowroot. That sounds amazing. And then this one right here, which is the Flawless Veil, has Fuller's Earth Clay, bentonite clay, Manuka honey powder, wild turmeric, bakuchi seed oil, licorice root powder, orange peel powder, sandalwood, and arrowroot, as well as some saffron. So both of these do have honey powder in them. These boxes would be amazing. Even if you just bought one of them, you could kind of divvy it up and gift them to several different people, or you could just gift the whole box itself. So the charitable cause for this brand, it says Ranavat Botanicals is dedicated to going beyond skincare to create a community around empowerment. Claim Your Crown is a platform we've created to spotlight and empower incredibly beautiful individuals who have faced adversity in life. We pledge 2% of proceeds to Ignite Hope, an organization that contributes to Rescue Foundation, a nonprofit that rescues victims of human trafficking in India, Bangladesh, and Nepal. For the next 2 years, we will serve Rescue Foundation, and I'm looking forward to adding more empowering organizations to contribute to in the future. Really awesome things about these boxes is they're all indie beauty brands, so when you buy into them, you're really just supporting someone's dream. Really amazing brands. They're all woman founded, like I said. All these women are freaking incredible. Like I said, watch that interview on their website. On the pamphlet also, it kind of just gives you a directory of how to use the products if you guys are curious about that. So that was all for the Ranavat Botanicals box. Let me get into the next one. This next discovery is from Beneath Your Mask. I've never heard of this brand, and I was really intrigued when I saw these products. They look completely amazing, so let me get into them. The first product in here I'm so excited to try out. It's their vegan heel whipped skin souffle. This sounds amazing, especially for winter. My skin usually gets really dry, so this sounds like a super beautiful product. I love their packaging. So this is what the packaging looks like. All of these are packaged in glass, by the way. They just feel so luxurious and high quality. Like I said, these would make such a beautiful gift or a gift to yourself. They just feel like such a treat. This is what the skin souffle looks like. I'm guessing it's like a shea butter base. Let me see. Yeah, it has some shea. Oh my gosh. The smell that just came off of this when I opened it. So a little bit about this product. It says, smooth and supple, this exceptional cream prevents, treats, and reduces damage to the skin. I'm actually gonna put a little bit on my hands now because I'm really curious. It has a really cool whipped texture to it. What it looks like on my hand. I love the scent of this. I don't know what it is. I've also smelled this in the Osea Undaria body scrub. It smells really similar to that. Well, that was really nice. It doesn't feel too heavy on the skin, just really nice and light. So this looks gorgeous. Also a really generous size. I feel like you need the smallest amount of this, so this would probably last you a really long time. Next product we have in here is the Nourish Hair and Skin Serum. This is 20 milliliters. By the way, this box is valued at $139. So it says, regenerate appearance of skin while balancing oils, soften, improve, and strengthen skin and hair. So again, you could use this on your skin and hair just like the other oil from Ranavat Botanicals. So this has a base of hemp seed oil, rosehip seed oil, pomegranate seed oil, a bunch of amazing oils. I don't want to read them all because there's a lot, and then some essential oils. I really love hemp seed oil on the skin because it has that perfect mix of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids in it. So it's just like the perfect oil to keep your skin balanced and hydrated. Just smells amazing. I'm so excited to try this out. I absolutely love oils for the skin, so I'm sure I will love this. Last but not least, from Beneath Your Mask, this is their Polished Detoxifying Body Scrub. Soothe, alleviate, and calm your skin with this super luxe scrub that will turn your shower into an at-home spa treatment. Yes, please. This is what the texture looks like. It looks like a really good balance of grittiness, but not too gritty. It smells just like the whipped skin souffle, like a really citrusy scent. Okay, so this has dead sea salt in it as the first ingredient. That's really good for your skin. Some aloe vera, oatmeal in here, avocado oil, grapeseed oil. I can't wait to try this out. I love body scrubs. It looks really amazing. Smells good. I can't stop smelling it. Sorry, it just smells so good. I really love the whole packaging of this brand. It's really simple, black, sleek. Beautiful. So a little bit about their charitable cause. It says, we gift our collection to women affected by lupus or other autoimmune diseases quarterly. After speaking at a luncheon for Hand in Hand for Lupus, a nonprofit organization for lupus survivors, I was so inspired by the women and their stories. We'll donate $2 to Hand in Hand for Lupus from each Beneath Your Mask discovery in collaboration with Beauty Heroes. So if you do buy this box from Beneath Your Mask, $2 of it will go to the Hand in Hand organization for lupus. So the creator of this brand was actually diagnosed with lupus, and she was looking for products to repair the damage done to her skin and hair. but found only products that contains harsh chemicals and harmful toxins. So she was inspired to create safe, non-irritating, and non-toxic products that would not challenge the immune system by sourcing the world's most potent organic and wild harvest botanicals. I think her story is so amazing. Like I said, if you want to learn more about the founders, definitely check out that interview. All their stories are amazing and so inspiring. So that was all for the Beneath Your Mask box. Let's move on to the last box. The last but not least is a box from Wabi-Sabi Botanicals. Now, I have tried their products before. Absolutely love their serums. Let me get into what you get in this box. So first off, I'm so excited to test this out. These are new to the Wabi-Sabi collection. This one is their Offering Ageless Ritual Face Mist. Let me go ahead and open it up. I was amazed when I opened this. This packaging is incredibly gorgeous. Like, it's literally a piece of art. It has a really gorgeous like gold overlay on it. So stunning. Like, this would be such a gorgeous gift. I know if someone got this for me as a gift, I would be like, oh my god. Thank you. So it says, tone and tighten your skin with this vitamin and antioxidant rich formula to help with absorption of products before and after use. And then I believe the ingredients in this are Lebanese orange blossom, frankincense, black frankincense, and blood orange. I love the scent of frankincense, so I'm so excited. I'm actually gonna miss this too because I've been wanting to do this since I got this in the mail. Definitely smells really strong of frankincense, which I love. It's so grounding to me. The other side also has like a gold decal and it says Wabi-Sabi Botanicals on it. This box from Wabi-Sabi is $128 value. So next up is a product I've actually tried before and really loved. I've used one up, so I'm actually so excited to get another one. It's their Light Reveal Targeted Treatment Serum. It says, infuse lackluster skin with a vibrant caffeine and keratin glow while smoothing your skin's appearance. This is what the bottle looks like. Packaging is gorgeous as well. So these look a little small, but you actually need the smallest amount, especially of this one. It has sea buckthorn in it, so it is that like bright color oil. So that's it on my hand. As you could tell, sea buckthorn, it's a really bright oil. This is incredible if you have any sort of like acne scarring or discoloration or dark marks. I used a full bottle of that before and I had some like really purple acne marks. I did such an amazing job. Like I said, you need the smallest amount. They also make a couple more of these serums for like different things. They have a blemish one I've tried before as well. Anyway, I'm definitely excited to have this back in my collection. So next up is another new product to the line. It's their Valley of Light Illuminative Mask. It says, smooth fine lines with potent antioxidants and pure Balinese botanicals that will leave your complexion soft and luminous. This is what the packaging looks like. A really gorgeous glass jar. Then it has a little lid on the top of it. It's just a powder mask. You can mix this with a toner, you can mix it with water, you can mix it with honey. So this has cacao and it also has coffee in it. It smells so amazing. I want to eat this, but I know I can't. This sounds really interesting. I'm definitely excited to test it out. If you guys want to see like a demo of this mask, definitely let me know in the comments below. So it says on the little booklet here, with a background in social work, I want to create the most impact for most women possible through Wabi-Sabi Botanicals. Microloans empower women with capital to pursue their dreams and rise out of poverty. As loans are paid back, the money can be reinvested to touch more lives. We set aside 10% of our profits for Kiva Micro Funds, an organization that helps women around the world. This year we've been able to help fund loans for 2 women, Mirna, a mother and fish vendor in the Philippines, and Amia, a talented seamstress in Pakistan. So that was it for the Wabi-Sabi Botanicals box. So those were all the Beauty Heroes Indie Beauty discoveries. I'm so grateful that they sent those over. All the products are so gorgeous and I cannot wait to try them out. If you want any reviews or updates on any of them, definitely let me know in the comments below. Like I said, I will link the interview with the founders they have on the Beauty Heroes website below, as well as any other information about the brands and also the boxes themselves. They are a limited time discovery, by the way, so if you did want to pick them up, definitely check that out now. They're all an amazing value. You get such a good array of products for an amazing price, and they also go to a good cause, and you're supporting indie beauty, which is incredible. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're already subscribed, thank you, and if you're not already, I would love for you to join me. Don't forget to follow me on my socials. dirtnaturals.com is my blog, and dirtnaturals is my Instagram. I post a ton of content over there. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in my next video.